Hello there, now I'm going to teach you how to verify banks on Venmo. So since I'm still waiting for my account to be approved on Venmo, I'm going to take you via the visual aids I have, okay? Let me just pull it up right there. So the first thing we're going to do is of course log into the account or the application itself. And I want you to click on the three dots on the top right section and you'll see this option. So click on transfer balance, this one right here, and then once you click on it, you'll arrive on this notification that says bank verification. It's either instant bank verification or manual. The difference is, if you're gonna choose instant, you need to have your bank sign in instantly to verify your bank account. However, for manual verification, use your bank's routing number and account number. Verification can up to take to 3 days. Got it? So this one is instant, so this is extra steps, but this one is easier, but it takes longer. Next one is choosing the bank. For example, select your bank right here. Now let's say the list of banks is not here and the bank you're choosing from is not on this list. Simply choose the name on this search bar right here, type it up, and the result should be there. So that's how you link, or rather, verify your bank on Venmo. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye for now.